All right, I think I found the problem. So I took the front and back covers off. They're sitting right here against the wall. That exposed the motor, and it also exposed the system by which the motor is hanged into the unit. Now there are two bars here. In there, there are some slots where some mounting screws, or bolts rather, are hooked in. And the mounting bolts were they were sitting at the very top of these grooves, which meant that the belt was very loose. So there are 4 bolts, 2 on each side. I unscrewed those a bit. Right away the motor went down, just because of the weight. I made sure I pushed it down as much as I can. There's decent tension now in that belt. And if I push the magic button, I think I can do maybe a little bit better, but this is a lot better. This is giving a regular sound for a jointer. All right, I think I found the problem and solved it. By the way, just to make sure everybody is aware, when I was working on the motor, the power was unplugged. That's very important.